Hi guys, this is Shrikar here from the Pro Review channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to unbrick, revert back to stock ROM and fix the boot loop issue on your ASUS Zenfone 5. As you can see, my phone is stuck in a boot loop. So to fix the boot loop issue or to fix the brick issue, please follow my steps. Step 1 is to download the unbrick kit and the ASUS 2.2.2.40.54 zip file. The link is in the description, so please download it. Step 2 is to open the unbrick kit. So here we have the ADB folder, ADB driver, Intel DRV setup 1.1.5 and the KitKat command. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to revert back to stock ROM, that is uh, KitKat version, that is 2.22.40.54. So now please install the ADB driver and the Intel DRV setup 1.1.5. After installing these drivers, the next step is to open the zip file and extract the recovery image and the fastboot image to the ADB folder that's in the unbrick kit. So now we have the fastboot image and the recovery image in the ADB folder. The next step is to drag and drop the zip file to the ADB folder. The next step is to switch off your phone and make sure that your phone is in the droid mode. For that, please hold the power button and the volume up button and release both the fingers when the phone vibrates. So now we are in the droid mode. The next step is to connect your phone to the PC and open the KitKat command notepad file which is in the unbrick kit. As you can see, now we have opened the KitKat command notepad file and we have 4 commands over here. So now we'll minimize the KitKat command notepad file and open the ADB driver. So now we need to enter into the command window mode, that is we need to open the command window. For that, hold on to your shift key and click on the right key. So now there's an option open command window over here. Guys, the next step is to reopen the KitKat command notepad file, and now we'll find 4 commands over here. So please copy the first command and paste it in the CMD and click enter or press enter. So now the first step is over. Now copy the second command and paste it. So guys, the second step is fastboot reboot bootloader. So your phone is gonna reboot. Now we need to copy the third command, that is fastboot flash recovery.img, and paste it in the CMD and click enter or press enter. Now we need to go to the recovery mode manually by using the volume keys, and now click on the power button.
So now we can find the dead droid over here. To get the ADB sideload option, we need to hold the volume up button and the volume down button together and release the volume up key first. So as you can see, we are in the recovery mode. So now we need to click on the second option, that is apply update from ADB. So guys, the next step is to edit the fourth command. So please remove the firmware zip wordings over there and replace it with the UL ASUS TOF WW-2.22.40.54. Copy it and paste it over here, and in the end we need to add the .zip. So now copy the fourth command and paste it in the command window and click or press enter. So guys, it says it's loading and the process is going on. So guys, it's gonna take some time, so please be patient. So guys, the package is sent to our phone, and please be patient. It's actually extracting the package and installing the package, that is KitKat version 2.22.40.54. So guys, the package is successfully installed. So now we need to go click on the third option, that is wipe data factory reset, and now we need to come down and click on yes by using the power button. So it's actually wiping data. The factory resetting process is complete, and now we need to wipe cache partition. So guys, this is also over, and now we need to click on the reboot system now. So guys, please unplug your phone and manually switch on your phone. This is gonna take some time, so I'll be skipping the video. Guys, we have successfully reverted back to stock ROM and fixed our bricked issue or the boot loop issue.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please notify me in the comment section. This is Shrika signing off from Pro Review.